How to cure zombie villager in Minecraft. To cure a zombie villager in Minecraft, you will need the following items: asterisk a splash potion of weakness, asterisk a golden apple, asterisk a bed. Once you have gathered these items, follow these steps. 1. Find a zombie villager. 2. Throw the splash potion of weakness at the zombie villager. 3. Wait for the zombie villager to be inflicted with the weakness effect. 4. Feed the zombie villager the golden apple. 5. Place a bed next to the zombie villager. 6. Wait for the zombie villager to be cured. Once the zombie villager is cured, it will turn into a normal villager. You can then trade with the villager to get items or to unlock new recipes. Here are some additional tips for curing zombie villagers. Asterisk you can use a dispenser to throw the splash potion of weakness. Asterisk you can use a name tag to name the zombie villager before you cure it. This will allow you to keep track of the villager and its trades. Asterisk you can cure multiple zombie villagers at once by placing them in a small area and throwing the splash potion of weakness at them all. Asterisk you can speed up the curing process by placing a zombie villager in a well-lit area. Curing zombie villagers is a great way to get valuable items and recipes. It is also a good way to help the villager population in your Minecraft world.